Came across a TDD file with this unusual exclamation mark extension and wondering what it is? These appear to be temporary data files used during application operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and handling these temporary TDD files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the TDD error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. Files are temporary document data files created by applications during file operations or autosave processes. The exclamation mark indicates temporary status, with the file containing intermediate data that applications use during normal operation, typically deleted automatically upon successful completion of save or processing tasks. TDD files use application-specific internal formats with the temporary extension marking non-permanent status. The content structure depends on the originating application, which may store partial document data, working buffers, or recovery snapshots during file operations within the temporary container. For TDD, begin with a dedicated opener like original source application. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows can accumulate leftover temp files, prompting users to clean them periodically. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your TDD file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with original source application if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If the TDD file is still giving you trouble, relax. This TD format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, renaming the file. Try renaming the TDD file to remove the temporary marker and reveal the underlying format. If the file represents a saved document state in a recognizable format, the renamed version may open properly in its associated application, providing access to the temporarily stored content for recovery. Next, locating source application. Identify the application that created the TDD file based on its location and surrounding files. Open the suspected source application and check for crash recovery options or temporary file management features that may reference and properly handle the TDD file for content recovery. Finally, examining contents. Use a hex editor like HXD or a text editor to inspect the TDD file contents, looking for format signatures or readable strings. Header bytes often reveal the underlying file type, allowing identification of the proper application needed to open the file once renamed to standard extension. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.